So we'll start anyway. A special welcome to all those newcomers. Make sure you come again next year and bring your friends too. I'm sure you're going to have a wonderful evening. Looking back, it terrifies me. You can imagine the fantastic evening you're going to have. So, nothing more. I'll hand over the mic to Anita. So, enjoy the evening.
Thank you, Joe, sir. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Aspire 2015. We've already done a welcome yesterday, but for all those who weren't present yesterday, the whole program has already kicked off with sort of quite an energetic level. And as Joji sir was saying, there is a fantastic program ahead this evening. First of all, we're all very happy to see all of you and equally excited about the entertainment, because I think, as many of you know, this meeting, it is a lot about meeting friends, but today also, just like all of our Calicut Medical College meetings, you're going to be entertained, dined, entertained again. And don't forget that tomorrow the entertainment carries on. There's a movie, Oru Vadakan Selfie, that's in our local Odeon. So all those who can stay behind, please do. It's just a group thing. I've been asked to sort of give a little introduction. It always feels superfluous, and I think I'm repeating myself in saying this is a function where we are the hosts and all of us are the guests as well. So I thought it might be a good point to start off by reminiscing a little bit about why we are all here together. And that is, the common link is our institution, Calicut Medical College. I think we have all from afar, so even when we are here, we've been following the institution. We see that it is sort of growing in esteem, in accolades. You see very bright, talented young doctors emerging from the institution still. The departments are, getting more and more prestigious. And all that evokes a huge sense of pride within our heart. I think when we say Calicut Medical College, it's like a big smile breaks out for all of us. And it's almost inevitable that when we talk about our college, we go down a huge nostalgia lane. I think all of you will probably remember your first day in college, the lecture halls, the huge quadrangle with the green garden there. For us, I think the highlight was always hostel life. I think hostel, it was probably the first time that we all went away or stayed away from home. And certainly, it has had some memorable moments. It has also had some really strange moments, because I think, as someone else was saying, we were all 6 people in a room meant for 3, and we used to get really rock hard idlis for breakfast, and we used to queue up for, with buckets of water in front of the bathroom and all that. But I think all at that time was a great adventure. So I think we still remember all of that with a sweet smile. The Calicut Medical College Alumni Association, again, so we meet annually, and as you can see, this is like a family gathering. I always think this evokes the same memory that I have when I go back to India every year and meet my family. You see your Chariyachan and Chariyamma and Ammumma and all that, and it's a similar thing. You come here once a year, you meet all friends, you exchange gossip, you exchange news, and then, you're entertained by really talented artists. You watch a movie and all that, and then you go back to your day job. So it's a lovely weekend sort of phase of our life. And I must take this opportunity to appreciate the Calicut Medical College alumni who keep coming regularly to these meetings. They are consistent, they are so affectionate, and they're always encouraging wherever the meeting is held. I'm told that this year the maximum representation is for the 36th batch, followed by the 33rd batch. But there should be a time when I'm stood here saying every batch is represented amazingly well. So, when you see Calicut can only grow with the sort of the contribution and the sort of cooperation of all our members. Now, I must again take a bit of time to talk about the organizing committee. I must say they didn't want me to, but I think a lot of time and thought goes into the organization of this. For this particular meeting, the organization started the day after the last meeting. We formed a group. The organizing committee have been traveling to various venues. We even got a tabular chart with every hotel and what it could offer and what it didn't offer, etc. So it's they do spend a lot of time, and I have to remember it at this time with great gratitude. Okay, so I can keep going on and on. One of my problems is I talk a lot. But I think we should move on to what we are here for. So the evening, you've already had a taste, sort of practice session of it. The evening is going to start off with a huge bang, with a live band. I'm not going to talk about them. They are going to talk about themselves through their music. So here is version 2. Thank you.
Pleasure to be here. We are version 2. We have obviously come from different parts in India, and we were all inclined towards music, and we are greatly lucky to have met each other here in the UK and formed this core band group. So we would be singing a few Malayalam and Hindi songs in our own style. So hope you enjoy tonight. To start off with, I'll be singing a Tani Nadan Paattu in version 2 style. Here you go.
Are you guys ready? Go on, guys.
പാണ്ഡന്നായുടെ പല്ലിനു ശൗര്യം പണ്ടേ പോലെ ഭരിക്കുന്നില്ല. പണ്ടിവനൊരു കടിയാലൊരു പുലിയെ കണ്ടിച്ചത് ഞാൻ കണ്ടറിയുന്നേ. കുട്ടനാടൻ കായലിലെ കെട്ടുവള്ളം തുഴയുമ്പോ പാട്ടൊന്നു പാടടി കാക്കക്കറുമ്പി. അന്തിക്കടം കമഴ്ത്തി ഞാൻ ഇളങ്കള്ളു കുടിക്കുമ്പോ പഴങ്കഥ പറയടി പുള്ളിക്കുയിലേ. പുള്ളിക്കുയിലേ പുഞ്ചക്കിനി വെള്ളം തേവണം. അല്ലിക്കുയിലേ തങ്കത്തിനു മീനു പിടിക്കണം. വേമ്പനാട്ട് കായൽ തിരകൾ വിളിക്കുന്നു തകതിമിതി മൃദൈ. അമ്പിളി ചുണ്ടൻ വള്ളം തൊഴിക്കുന്നു തകതിമിതി മൃദൈ. കുട്ടനാടൻ കായലിലെ കെട്ടുവള്ളം തുറയുമ്പോ പാട്ടൊന്നു പാടടി കാക്കക്കറുമ്പി. അന്തിക്കടം കമഴ്ത്തി ഞാൻ ഇളങ്കള്ളു കുടിക്കുമ്പോ പഴങ്കഥ പറയടി പുള്ളിക്കുയിലേ. തിര ചെറുതിര തുള്ളും തിര 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 മറുതിര തുള്ളും ചെറുകരയോളം മറുകരയോളം. തിര 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 ചെറുതിര തുള്ളും തിര 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 മറുതിര തുള്ളും ചെറുകരയോളം മറുകരയോളം. ഒരു തിര തിര ഇരുതിര തിര മറുതിര തിര ചെറുതിര. തിരയൊടു കരമല്ലെ കടലിന്റെ കഥ ചൊല്ലി കരയൊടു തിരമല്ലെ കടലിന്റെ കഥ ചൊല്ലി. അതു പിന്നെ മകിലൊടു പുഴയുടെ കഥ ചൊല്ലി. അതു പിന്നെ മുകിലൊടു മഴയുടെ കഥ ചൊല്ലി. പറങ്കഥകൾ പറങ്കഥകൾ അവ ഇനി ചിറകൊരുങ്ങി പദം പറഞ്ഞിനി പറന്നുയരാ. കുട്ടനാടൻ കായലിലെ കെട്ടുവള്ളം തുറയുമ്പോ പാട്ടൊന്നു പാടടി കാക്കക്കറുമ്പി. അന്തിക്കടം കമഴ്ത്തി ഞാൻ ഇളങ്കള്ളു കുടിക്കുമ്പോ പറങ്കഥ പറയടി പുള്ളിക്കുയിലേ. പുള്ളിക്കുയിലേ പുഞ്ചകിനി വെള്ളം തേവണം. അല്ലിക്കുയിലേ തങ്കത്തിനു മീനു പിടിക്കണം. വേമ്പനാട്ട് കായൽ തിരകൾ വിളിക്കുന്നു തകതിമിതി മൃദൈ. അമ്പിളി ചുണ്ടൻ വള്ളം തൊഴിക്കുന്നു തകതിമിതി മൃദൈ. കുട്ടനാടൻ കായലിലെ കെട്ടുവെള്ളം തുറയുമ്പോ പാട്ടൊന്നു പാടടി കാക്കക്കറുമ്പി. കത്തിക്കടം കമത്തി ഞാൻ ഇളം കള്ളു കുടിക്കുമ്പോ മറങ്ങാത പറയടി പുള്ളി കുയിലേ
How's it going, CMC UK? Come on, guys, first of all, give yourself a round of applause for being here, right? A big round of applause for the organizers as well, okay? Now, there's a lot of lovebirds in this room, right? Yeah, I can see that. Now, to make the love more buzzing, right, we've got a love song, which is going to be presented by Sharad. Now, we're going to take you back a few more years, and hope you guys enjoy it. But come on, guys, come to the groove now, okay?
आँखों में सपने लिए घर से हम चल तो दिए जाने ये राहें अब ले जाएगी कहाँ मिट्टी की खुशबू आए पलकों में आंसू लाए पलकों में रह जाएगा यादों का जहाँ मंजिल नहीं है अनजाना है कारवां चलना अकेले है यहाँ तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर तन्हा दिल दिलकश नजारे देखे झिलमिल से तारे देखे आंखों में फिर भी तेरा चेहरा है जबा कितनी बरसातें आई कितनी सौगातें लाई कानों में फिर भी गूंजे तेरी ही सदा वादे किए थे अपना होगा आशिया वादों से ज्यादा होगा क्या तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर तन्हा दिल तन्हा दिल आंखों में सपने लिए घर से हम चल तो दिए जाने ये राहें अब ले जाएगी कहाँ मिट्टी की खुशबू आए पलकों पे आंसू लाए पलकों पे रह जाएगा यादों का जहाँ मंजिल नहीं है अनजाना है कारवां चलना अकेले है यहाँ तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर तन्हा दिल Now there's going to be a slight change. For a change, it's not going to be me singing. So the next song is another blasting number by the thread that holds this band together. Now this guy is the person who initiated this band and kind of he got all of us together to form this version 2. Here we introduce to you Mr. Sanjay Nair.
Hey guys, hello. Are you ready for this, guys? Oh hamdam soniore, oh janiya suniore, oh janiya sham ko khidki se chori chori nange pahchan aayega. Oh hamdam soniore, oh janiya suniore, oh janiya sham ko khidki se chori chori nange pahchan. Here we go, I'm ripped up on the mat, just sing a rhythm, hit the heart once again, in effect, beat the kiss coming, slamming out the bass line, never mess around with the fun, because I'm sticking, kicking, all finger licking, I don't need Halloween, just to be trick-or-treating, cause all's on the top, oh hamdam, suniore, oh janiya suniore, oh janiya sham ko khidki se chori chori nange pahchan aayega. Oh hamdam suniore, oh janiya suniore, oh janiya sham ko khidki se chori chori nange pahchan aayega. Oh suniore, oh janiya re, oh suniore, oh janiya re. Dim ta-na-na, oh galiyon se aayega. Dim ta-na-na, oh सीटी बजाएगा. dim ta-na-na, oh नीम के पेड़ से. dim ta-na-na, oh पास बुलाएगा. Oh hamdam.
Well done, Sanj.